Welcome! In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to add outbound links to your WordPress posts and pages. It's a simple 5-step process that lets you connect your content to external websites. First, head over to your Posts or Pages section and choose the content you'd like to edit. If you're starting fresh, just click Add New to create something new. Find the text in your content that you want to turn into a clickable link and select it by highlighting it with your cursor. You'll see a link button in your editor toolbar that looks like a chain link icon. Go ahead and click that to open the link editor. Here's where you add your destination. Paste the full URL of the external page you're linking to into the field. Then press Enter to confirm. Almost done. Just hit Save to publish your changes, and your outbound link will be live for visitors to click. That's all there is to it. You now know how to add outbound links to any of your WordPress content. Feel free to go through this walkthrough again anytime you need a refresher.